Need a replacement Chase credit card? It's easy to do directly through the Chase mobile app. First, download or update the app on your iOS or Android device. Log in with your Chase credentials. Navigate to the Cards section. Select the specific credit card you need to replace. Tap on Replace Card. From there, you'll see options for standard or expedited shipping. Choose the one that fits your needs. Remember that all requests require two-factor authentication for security. Confirm your identity using your PIN or biometric scan. If you need your card quickly, choose expedited shipping. While it typically costs $35 to $50 depending on your card type and location, you'll receive your new card in 1 to 2 business days via carriers like FedEx or UPS. Once you confirm your order, you'll receive a unique tracking number within the app. Track your shipment in real time with GPS integration, allowing you to monitor its delivery status right to your doorstep. For lost or damaged cards, use the Replace and Freeze feature to instantly lock your old card and prevent unauthorized charges.